Historic North Street, charming home with character and updates throughout. Special features include original hardwood flooring, original light fixtures, glass doorknobs, crown molding and much more. Kitchen has cherry cabinets, corian countertops, double ovens, and tile floor / backsplash. Breakfast nook and half bath / laundry room combo are located off the kitchen. Access to privacy fenced backyard and composite deck from family room and breakfast nook. Formal dining room includes original corner cabinet and hardwood flooring. Family room has cathedral ceiling and laminate flooring. 2 bedrooms and full bath complete the second floor. Main bedroom suite located on 3rd floor features wood flooring, double closet, linen closet, sitting area, and bath with jetted tub and separate shower. Current owner can fit 2 small cars in the detached garage. Private backyard with perennial flowers including strawberry patch and some raised beds. This home stands proud and has been lovingly cared for. There are 2 parcels totaling .18 acres.